In this video today, I'm going to walk you through the watch folder and the incoming tracks feature in Lexicon. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the incoming tracks page. Think of this as your track to-do list. To add tracks to this page, you can simply click this button here and it will take you to your watch folder on your computer. You can drop the tracks in here and you can see that the tracks have appeared in the incoming tracks page. So you can also change the folder that Lexicon watches. So if you go over to settings here and then click the change the watch folder, you can go to the folder where your music lives. So mine lives on the desktop, and then go to songs and then click open. So if I close this now, you can see that all the tracks that are in that folder are now in my incoming tracks page. Another way to bring tracks into the incoming tracks page is simply just going to your computer, picking up the tracks that you want and then dragging them into Lexicon. So now we have some tracks in our incoming tracks page. We can update things like metadata, cue points, or even drag them into our playlists. So for these tracks, what we're going to do is we're going to update the album. So we're going to highlight all these, click edit, and then we're going to update the album to new album. And then all the genres are fine. And then we're going to add some tags to these. So if I click T, you can add a tag to these tracks here. So I'm going to just put warm up here. And then for a few of these tracks, I'm going to set the cue point. So I'm going to drag this track up here, and then I'm going to set a cue point here. Move to the middle of the track here, put a cue point here, and then put a cue point here. So now, once I'm happy with all my tracks, the metadata is all cleaned up, I've set my cue points, I can click a track like this and then say selected done. This will then move the track out of the incoming tracks page. If I'm happy with all the tracks, all my metadata is all cleaned up, everything's sorted for all the tracks, I can just click all done and it'll move all the tracks out of the incoming tracks page. You can also move and rename all your tracks automatically. If you want to see how to do that, check that video out here. I hope you found this video helpful and I'll catch you in the next one.